what it has right now. You can prosper in the prison. And here's the thing as I close. The Bible says while he's in prison, a baker and a butler shows up. This is Pharaoh's baker and butler. En al twee die ouens droom. Nou sê hulle sê, nou kom Joseph aan die tronk. Hy sê, manne, hoekom lyk julle so sad vandag? The baker says, well, you know, we had a dream and we can't interpret it. Joseph interprets their dreams. Here's the dream's interpretation. The baker is going to lose his head. The butler is going to be reinstated into his position. So, 3 days later, the baker, nachtmiddag, wat beginnen ze te zeggen? The butler is terug in die paleis. But here is what Joseph says to the butler. He says, don't forget me. When you get into the palace, don't forget me. Listen, listen. It's amazing what you will do for people and then how they will quickly forget what you did for them. You help them up and when they up, they forget to bring you with.